Hello class 6. In this video we are going to learn how to do the construction of angles. So basically the instruments that we need are number 1 a pencil, a ruler, a compass with another pencil, and this pencil needs to be of shorter length than the length of the compass. It should not be longer than the compass. All right, so you need actually two pencils, and lastly a protector. So keep these things ready in your hand before we start with the construction. So as we move on through the construction, make sure that you do along with the video, and if there is any difficulty you can rewind or pause whenever required. So first we'll start with the construction of 60 degree. So to construct an angle of 60 degree, first take your copy and leave some space on top. There should be sufficient space out here, and here we will take the ruler and draw a straight line using a pencil. So here this is a straight line drawn using a pencil. There is no need to know how long the line segment needs to be. It can be of any length. Just draw a straight line using a pencil and a ruler. Next, take a compass. Now the compass has a needle over here and a pencil over here. So in this case you need to put the needle of the compass exactly at the tip of this line, and then with some radius, this is called the radius, the distance between the needle and the pencil is called the radius. So with some radius you just draw an arc of this type. Only this much, you don't have to draw a complete circle. From here to here you draw a small arc. After this, take out your compass and without changing the length of the radius, without opening or closing it, keep the needle of the compass out here in this point, like this, and then draw a small arc over here on top of this arc, like this. All right, after this you put your ruler and try to join this point and this point. So when you join these 2 points and draw a straight line, you will get this kind of figure. This kind of figure. Now after your figure is drawn, this is the required angle that we need to draw. So this angle is the angle of 60 degree. But before we move on, confirming that this is the required angle, we will take our protector and we'll put this protector on top of this figure this way, and see the protector has a small cross over here in the middle. That cross needs to fit on top of this this angle or the vertex, and it should coincide, the line over here should coincide with the line or the base of the angle. So it should coincide, and this point needs to be on top of the vertex, and then you will check that this angle is exactly equal to 60 degree or not. So this way it has to align with the small mark over here which says that it is equal to 60 degree. So this 60 denotes that it is the angle of 60 degree. So this is our angle which is equal to 60 degree. So this is how we construct angle of 60 degree. In order to uh, draw it more accurately, only by using the ruler, pencil and compass, you have to practice this several times. Okay, at least you need to practice it for 5 to 6 times. Okay, so this is how it is done. Now you will practice it again and again, okay, until you get the perfect angle. Next, let's move on to construct the second angle, the construction of 30 degree. All right, so here we construct the line with the ruler in the similar way. Okay, then again, like the previous case, we take the compass and we draw a small arc, and without closing the compass, we will draw from this point, keeping the needle of the compass out here, we'll draw an arc out here, okay, this way, and there will be a small arc out here. Now if we join this one, it will be like the previous case, it will be the angle of 60 degree, but here we are not drawing 60 degree. Okay, so this way, if you draw a dotted lines, this means that this dotted line and this line together makes the angle of 60 degree. In this case, now we are moving on to construct the angle of 30 degree. So from this point, we will draw a small arc from this point, from this point we'll draw the small arc over here. Okay, from this point means keeping the needle of the compass out here, we will draw a small arc, and without changing the radius of the compass, keeping the needle out here at this point, we will draw another arc out here like this. Okay, and we'll get a point of intersection or a small cross out here. Okay, now joining this point with this point, okay, using a ruler, we'll draw a straight line like this. Okay, so when the straight line is joined, okay, here we get the two arms of the angle, and this angle will be the required 30 degree. But before we move on, confirming that it is 30, we will first check whether it's correct or not with the help of a protector. So take the protector out, and again coincide this point of the protector with the vertex of the angle, okay, and coincide the line of the protector with the base arm of the angle, and check whether it's on top of 30 degree or not. See, this is exactly on top of 30 degree. All right, so this angle will be the required angle of 30 degree. So this is how we do the construction of 30 degree. Again, I would like to emphasize on practicing this work again and again until and unless you keep getting the construction perfect. Okay, that's why for your assignment you will practice this construction both 60 degree and 30 degree 5 times each. Okay, 5 times 60 degree and 5 times 30 degree. Thank you.